Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to add accounts to Instagram favorites on Android. This is a great feature that allows you to easily access the profiles of the people you follow and interact with the most. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture down below. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, choose Favorites. This will take you to a page where you can manage your favorites list. To add accounts to your favorites list, simply search for the people you want to add and choose them. Once you've selected the accounts you want to add, click Confirm Favorites. It's important to note that only you can see your favorites list. This means that the accounts you add to your favorites list will not be notified or receive any special privileges on Instagram. By adding accounts to your favorites list, you can easily access their profiles and keep up with their latest posts and updates. This is especially useful for accounts that you interact with frequently or that you don't want to miss any updates from. In addition, you can also use the favorites list to organize your Instagram experience and make it more personalized. By adding accounts that you're interested in, you can curate your feed and see the content that you care about the most. Adding accounts to Instagram favorites on Android is quick and easy, and can help you stay connected with the people you interact with the most on the platform. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Instagram and other social media platforms. See you in the next video.